Hello, dear students. Today we are going to take a new lesson in Chapter 1. It's about classifying animals. Chapter 1, Lesson 4, pages 54 and 55. How can you classify animals? First of all, what was the meaning of classifying animals? It's like the plants, like as we classified the plants. So, classify animals means put in groups. As you see here, there is a tiger, bluebird, shark, butterfly, jellyfish, and raccoon. As you see, these animals are different sizes, they look different, they have different parts. So, how can we classify animals? Even if the animals look different, but they still share some characteristics. Like what? What do you think? Do you think that all the animals can move? Yes, sure. So all animals move and respond to their environment. It means they react in their environment. What about reproducing? Do you think that all the animals could reproduce? Yes, sure. All animals reproduce. Reproduce means make new of their kinds. What about their needs? Do you think that they have the same needs? Yes, sure. All animals need food, water, oxygen, and shelter. So even if the animals look different, but they still share some characteristics. Why the scientists classified the animals? Sure, studying thousands of or million of kinds will be hard. So this is why we classify them into hundreds of groups. So studying them easily. They classified them by their structures. As the plants, how we classified or how the scientists classify the plants by their structures, roots, stems, and leaves. Also, they classified them by their structures, also the animals. Let's see a difference between a raccoon and a jellyfish. As you see, they look different, they have different parts, but even if they are different, they share some characteristics. Both of them could move and reproduce, and they need the same basic needs. But there is something different. You see here, the raccoon has a backbone. This is a backbone. You can touch your backbone in the center of your back. Everybody, put your hands on your backbone in your back. Some animals have backbones, while here the jellyfish, it doesn't have a backbone. So some animals with backbones, while others without. So in this way, identify the animals. As you see here, the dolphin has a backbone. The dog has a backbone. The duck has a backbone. The crab doesn't. Also, the grasshopper doesn't have a backbone. So, some animals are with backbones while others without. With this structure, the backbone, we can classify the animals. But first, let's see what is a backbone. From its name, bones, they are bones. Many small bones, many small bones. Where are these small bones? They are running down the center of the back. Again, running down from the top of the back until the end of the back, and with the animals it ends with the end of the tail. So again, the backbone is many small bones running down the center of the back. What do you think? Why the backbone is important? Yes, to hold up the body. It helps hold up the body. So again, a backbone is many small bones running down the center of an animal's back. So the animals with backbones like tiger, dog, eagle, and fish. All of these animals have backbones. So we call them vertebrates. Vertebrates. So the animals with backbones, we call them vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with backbones. Animals without backbones, like spider, worms, jellies, insects, all have no backbones, so we call them invertebrates. Invertebrates. So the animals that have no backbones, we call them invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. So animals by their structures. And the structure that we classified the animals by is the backbone. We classified them into vertebrates and invertebrates. The vertebrates have backbones, and the backbone holds up the animal's body. The invertebrates, they have no bones inside their bodies, and most animals are invertebrates. So the animals on earth, the invertebrates, are more than the vertebrates. Let's solve the quick check, page 55. Compare and contrast. What characteristic separates vertebrates from invertebrates? What was this structure that divides the animals into vertebrates and invertebrates? Yes, very good, a backbone. Critical thinking. How do bones help vertebrates? As we said, the backbone holds up the body, and also the bones give them shape and help the animals to move. Thank you for your listening.